Hello my dear students, today we are going to study the second chapter, chemical bonding. You know that all the substances are made up of minute particles called atoms. Okay, then two or more atoms combine to form molecules. And the substances are two types, they are elements and compounds. You have already studied about that elements and compounds. In this chapter, we are going to study how atoms combine together, in which way atoms combine together, and how atoms held together in which manner, etc. we studied in this chapter. Our first topic is electronic configuration and stability. Electronic configuration and stability. Atoms combine to form molecules to acquire stability. There is a 18th group elements in the periodic table. That elements are known as noble gases. There is a 18th group elements in the periodic table and that elements are known as noble gases. Look at textbook, page number 27. The electronic configuration of noble gases are given. The electronic configuration of noble gases are given. First noble gas is helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Okay. Analyze the electronic configuration of these elements. Analyze the electronic configuration of these elements. Okay. How many atoms are present in the outermost shell of these atoms except helium? How many electrons are present in the outermost shell? Okay, the outermost shell contains 8 electrons. You know that maximum number of electrons accommodated in the outermost shell of an atom is 8, and atoms acquire stability by attaining 8 electrons in the outermost shell. The arrangement of 8 electrons in the outermost shell of an atom is known as octet electron configuration. Octet electron configuration. Okay. The arrangement of 8 electrons in the outermost shell of an atom is called octet electron configuration. Okay. Atoms attain stability by attaining 8 electrons in the outermost shell. Noble gases attain stability by attaining 8 electrons in the outermost shell. Noble gases attain stability by this arrangement, by octet electron configuration. So, this arrangement is stable and noble gases do not take part in chemical reaction because they attain stability by attaining 8 electrons in the outermost shell. Consider helium. Consider helium. Electronic configuration is 2 to outermost consider helium. Electronic configuration is 2, outermost shell contain 2 electrons, and you know that the first shell contain 2 electrons, and by attaining 2 electrons in the first shell they acquire helium acquire stability. Okay, helium, the duplet electron configuration is stable. Okay, atoms acquire stability by attaining 8 electrons in the outermost shell. Next, Analyze the table 2.2 in page number 27. Analyze observe the peculiarities of the electronic configuration of these elements. Do these elements attain stability? No. The outermost shell contain consider magnesium. The electronic configuration is magnesium. Electronic configuration is 282. Okay. How do these atoms attain stability? Atoms acquire stability by attaining 80 electron configuration in the outermost shell through chemical bonding. Atoms acquire stability by attaining 80 electron configuration in the outermost or valence shell through chemical bonding. Okay. Atoms acquire stability by attaining 80 electron configuration in the outermost or valence shell through chemical bonding. Can you tell me what is meant by chemical bonding? What is meant by chemical bonding? Okay, the attractive force that held together atoms in a molecule is called chemical bonding. The attractive force that held together atoms in a molecule is called chemical bonding. Okay, here the table containing the electronic configuration: oxygen 2, 6, then sodium configuration 2, 8, 1, chlorine electronic configuration 2, 8, 7. Okay. Can you tell me some names of compound by combining these elements? Can you tell me? Okay. There is a compound magnesium oxide, sodium chloride, sodium oxide, etc. Okay. Then we are going to study next topic. Ionic bonding. Consider sodium chloride. Consider sodium chloride. Which are the atoms present in sodium chloride? Can you tell me the names of atoms present in sodium chloride? Okay. Sodium and chlorine. Sodium and chlorine. Okay. The atomic number of sodium is 11 and atomic number of chlorine is 17. Can you write the electronic configuration of sodium? Okay. 281. Then chlorine 287. Okay. How many electrons are present in the outermost shell of a sodium atom? How many electrons? Okay, 1 electron. Then how many electrons are present in chlorine, outermost shell of a chlorine? 7. How do sodium and chlorine attain stability? How do? Sodium attains stability by attaining 8 electron in the outermost shell and chlorine attains stability by attaining 8 electron in the outermost shell. Then can you draw the Bohr model of sodium and chlorine? Okay. Sodium atomic number 11. Then can you draw the Bohr model of sodium? Okay. First you draw the nucleus, then mark the number of proton and number of neutrons in it. Then draw the first shell and mark the electrons, represent the electrons. How many electrons in first shell of sodium? 2, 8, 1. The first shell accommodate maximum 2 electrons. Okay. Then draw the second shell. Okay. How many electrons accommodated in second shell? Okay, 8 electrons. Then third shell contain 1 electron. Okay. Sodium attains stability by removing this 1 electron. Sodium attains stability by removing this 1 electron. Then next, sodium combined with the chlorine. Sodium combined with the chlorine. Can you draw the above model of chlorine? Chlorine, atomic number 17, electronic configuration 287. Okay. Then first, nucleus, 17 proton and 18 neutron. Then draw first shell. How many electrons accommodated in K shell? 2. Then second shell. Eight. Third shell accommodate 7 electrons. How do sodium and chlorine attain stability? Sodium lost 1 electron or donate 1 electron to chlorine. Sodium donate 1 electron to chlorine. Then sodium attains stability and chlorine also attain stability. After the transfer of electrons, we can draw the Bohr model of sodium chloride. First, sodium, Bohr model of sodium is neutron, first shell 2, second shell 2. Sodium donate 1 electron to chlorine. Then sodium get 1 positive charge. Sodium donate 1 electron to chlorine. So sodium get 1 positive charge. 1 positive charge. And chlorine accept this 1 electron. Chlorine accept this 1 electron. Then chlorine attain 8 electron and get stability. And chlorine get 1 negative charge due to accept 1 electron from sodium. First, nucleus 17. Draw first shell. Third shell contain 8 electrons. And get 1 negative charge. Sodium chloride. This is the Bohr model of sodium and chlorine before and after chemical reaction. Sodium donate 1 electron to chlorine and chlorine get stability by accepting 1 electron from sodium. Okay. We can represent this model by electron dot diagram. We can represent this model by this electron transfer by electron dot diagram. Listen here. Electron dot diagram. Okay. In electron dot diagram, first consider sodium and chlorine combined to form sodium chloride. First, you know that the atomic number of sodium is 11 and electronic configuration is 281 and chlorine 287. Okay. In electron dot diagram, we only consider the outermost shell electron because the outermost electron only participate in chemical reaction or chemical bonding. The outermost electrons only participate in chemical bonding. Okay. Then first you write the symbol, then mark the outermost electron only. Outermost electron. Then sodium combined with chlorine. Outermost electron contain outermost shell contain 7 electrons. Chlorine contain 7 electron and sodium contain 1 electron. After electron transfer, sodium donate 1 electron to chlorine and chlorine get 8 electron in the outermost shell, and also sodium also get 8 electron in the outermost shell. Then after electron transfer, sodium get 1 positive charge. Sodium donate this electron to chlorine, then sodium get 1 positive charge and chlorine get 8 electron in the outermost shell. And 1 negative charge. This is the electron dot diagram of sodium chloride. This is the electron dot diagram of sodium chloride. In this electron dot diagram, we consider only the outermost shell electrons and transfer of electron or donate sodium donate 1 electron to chlorine and sodium get 1 positive charge and chlorine accept 1 electron and chlorine get 1 negative charge. Okay. Listen here. This is the formation of Bohr model of formation of sodium chloride. First you analyze the Bohr model, then complete the table given below. Okay. First consider sodium before and after chemical reaction. Before and after chemical reaction. Okay. First consider sodium before the chemical reaction. Okay. Electronic configuration. Can you write the electronic configuration? Okay. Electronic configuration of sodium is 281. 281. Then after the chemical reaction, electronic configuration is 28 because sodium donate 1 electron to chlorine. Then electronic configuration is 28 only. Okay. Then consider chlorine. Electronic configuration before the chemical reaction. Electronic configuration is 287. After the chemical reaction, electronic configuration is 288. Next, number of electrons. Total number of electrons in sodium atom before chemical reaction. Before chemical reaction, total number of electrons 11. After the chemical reaction, total number is 2 plus 8, 10. Consider chlorine. Before the chemical reaction, total number of electrons is 2 plus 8 plus 7, 17. After the chemical reaction, total number is 2 plus 8 plus 8, 18. Next, consider proton. You know that an atom is identified by the number of protons in it. Number of protons 11. Before the chemical reaction and after the chemical reaction, number of protons is always equal or same. Consider chlorine. Protons 17. After the chemical reaction, number of protons 17. There is no change in the number of protons. Next, charge. Sodium atom have no charge before the chemical reaction. No charge. No charge. After the chemical reaction, sodium get 1 positive charge. Consider chlorine, no charge. After the chemical reaction, chlorine get 1 negative charge. Okay. During the formation of sodium chloride, sodium get 1 positive charge and chlorine get 1 negative charge. Okay. This formation of sodium chloride compound is due to electron transfer. Due to electron transfer and the positive ion is known as cations. Sodium donate 1 electron to chlorine and sodium atom is known as ions. Okay. After donating or accepting electrons, atoms get charge. So they are known as ions. They are known as ions. After atoms get charge, they are known as ions. So, sodium donate 1 electron to chlorine. Then sodium is known as sodium ions or positive ions is known as, or positive ions are called cations. Positive ions are known as cations and chlorine accept 1 electrons from sodium and chlorine is known as, chlorine atom changed it to chloride ion and negative ions are known as anions. Okay. Positive ions are known as cations and negative ions are known as anions. We can represent these electron transfer in the form of a equation. In the formation of sodium chloride, we can represent in the form of a equation. Okay, first consider sodium. Sodium donate 1 electron to chlorine. Sodium donate 1 electron to chlorine and sodium get 1 positive charge and sodium is known as sodium ion. Sodium donate 1 electron to chlorine and sodium get 1 positive charge. How many electrons sodium donate? 1 electron. 1 electron. This is the equation of sodium in the formation of sodium chloride. Okay, sodium atom donate 1 electrons and sodium get 1 positive charge. And so how many electrons sodium atom donate? 1 electron. Okay. Then next chlorine atom accept 1 electron. Chlorine atom accept 1 electron from sodium. Then chlorine atom change into chloride ion. Okay. This is the equation, chemical equation of sodium and chlorine in the formation of sodium chloride. Okay. First sodium donate 1 electron to chlorine. Sodium donate 1 electron and sodium get 1 positive charge. 1 electron donate. Then chlorine accept 1 electron and change into chloride ion. Positive ions are known as cations and negative ions are known as anions. In sodium chloride, sodium ion is positive cations and chloride ion is negative anions. Okay, and due to the transfer of this transfer of electron, there is a presence of positive and negative charge. These oppositely charged ions are held together by a electrostatic force. These positive charges are held together by these oppositely charged ions are held together by a electrostatic force, and this attractive force is called ionic bond. Ionic bond is formed due to electron transfer. Ionic bond is formed due to electron transfer. Okay, and the attractive force that held together by in this this bond is formed due to the attractive force that held together. Okay, sodium chloride contain ionic bond. Sodium chloride contain ionic bond. Look here. First, cations. What is meant by cations? Positive ions are called cations. Positive ions are called cations. Then anions. Negative ions are called anions. Negative ions are called anions. Next, what is meant by ionic bond? Ionic bond is a chemical bond formed by electron transfer. Ionic bond is a chemical bond formed by electron transfer. Also, in an ionic bond, the ions are held together by electrostatic force of attraction between the oppositely charged ions. In ionic bond, the ions are held together by electrostatic force of attraction between oppositely charged ions. Okay, what is meant by ionic bond? Ionic bond is formed due to electron transfer. In sodium chloride, which one is cation? Sodium is cation. Why? Why sodium is cation? Okay, sodium atom donate 1 electron to chlorine atom and sodium atom get 1 positive charge. Positively charged ions are known as cations. And which one is anions? Okay, in sodium chloride, chlorine atom accept 1 electron and get 1 negative charge. So, they are known as negative ions or anions. They are known as anions. Okay. Now, we can conclude this class. First, we have studied electronic configuration and stability. Okay. Atoms attain 8 electron configuration in their outermost shell through chemical bonding, and the arrangement of 8 electron in the outermost shell of an atom is called octet electron configuration. And what is meant by chemical bonding? Okay, the attractive force that held together atoms in a molecule is called chemical bonding. Next, ionic bond. Okay, sodium chloride contains ionic bond, and the ionic bond is formed due to electron transfer. The ionic bond is formed due to electron transfer. What is mean by ionic bond? What is mean by ionic bond? The oppositely charged ions are held together by electrostatic force. The oppositely charged ions are held together by electrostatic force. Okay, now this is the time to wind up my class. Thank you.